Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with a super fabulous project share. This is called my stationery set, box set. If you haven't picked up the stationery set, then you may want to because it is super duper fabulous and loaded with goodies. Let me open this up and show you what we have. Dare I? Dare I? Do you see? Look at what we have here. It's a stationery set, guys. Oh, oh my goodness. I totally forgot to put the stationery in here, the 8.5 by 11. It's okay. I will put it in there and come back and show it to you a second time because it's that cute. All right, so in that stationery bundle, you get this box. This is the large box. You get a small box. I'll show you a video of the small box. And you get all of the envelopes, cards, tags, mini tags, all sorts of things to fill up the stationery box with all sorts of goodies. All right, we've got slimline cards, we've got slimline envelopes, we've got gusseted slimline envelopes, we've got these are not your typical card size envelopes. These are larger. These are 4.5 by 6.5, and then we also have, I think it's A4 or A2. Sorry, I'm not a card maker, forgive me. That is also in there with the matching card sets. All right, look at how beautiful this paper is. By the way, this paper collection I'm featuring here is Au Revoir. It is a 12 by 12, and I will link you to everything down below. All right, I did quite a bit of stamping here. Look at how beautiful. This is another envelope that you get in there. There's a set of 2 here. You can put up to 5 envelopes and 5 cards in these boxes. Okay, look at how gorgeous that is. Again, this is the 4.5 by 6.5. I tend to size things to fit photos. So if you want to stick a photo, a full-size 4 by 6 photo, and they're matted, you can. All right, so that's typically how my brain works because I'm a album maker. So when I make things like this, I tend to think about a photo. So this is your basic number 10 size envelope. Again, look at this paper, how darling that is. You get this envelope with this window, a large window, a more stylized window. So you get lots, and then you get your, I think there's 10 cards and note cards, by the way. So there's 10 cards and 10 note cards, or maybe a little bit more. All right, then your small envelopes, of course. You get tags, this circle tag, this round tag, and all sorts of different tags, guys. I didn't cut everything out because I would have been here forever in 10 days. So I'm calling these the embellishment envelopes. And I put all sorts of paper clips in there, some tickets from the collection, or stamps from the collection. I wanted to share something with you guys as I've been unpacking my craft room. I found yet another gem. Do you guys know what this is? These are thinning scissors. So I've had these forever, guys, forever. As a matter of fact, I have 2 of them. I have a gold set and a silver set. I love gold. So I probably bought the gold set first and then realized they had the silver set and realized they had a gold. So I bought a gold. All right. And this is how I do my stamps. Okay. This was not my idea. I bought these scissors because I saw somebody do this, but I haven't done it. I bought the scissors and forgot about it, right? I didn't do it. So it's amazing. You can give anything, a stamp edge with these scissors. And let me just demo really quickly. This is one of the embellishments from the collection. Look at that, guys. Do you see how amazing that is? Don't mind the fingers. Don't mind it. It looks like I got frostbite. Don't mind the fingers. All right, so it's perfect. So back to the stationery set, guys. If you're interested in making something like this, just click down on the description box below, and you'll be able to make one like this because the tutorial is there. The cutting guide is there. All of the assembly videos are there. I like to make my projects simple assembly, but with a wow factor. So I don't want this to intimidate you. All right, I will have more samples of this coming up. I have Patty on call here, guys. She's doing one with the Okinawa paper collection. So if you love this project, you love the Okinawa paper collection, and you didn't know what to do with it, Here it is, all right, and I'll have a sample for you guys. I also did some fun stamping. These are some of the samples that we're doing in my sensational stamping workshop. So if you're also interested in that, I'll link you down below. Look at how beautiful these turned out. So if you love stamping, but you've kind of been afraid of it and you just, I'm going to show you what I do. All right. So it's called Sensational Stamping. Check it out. Hopefully you'll love it. Excuse me. I know you're going to love it. So there's compartments here for everything. Embellishment, tags, stamps, postage stamps, more embellishments, all sorts of things. These are embellishments from the paper collection. I just bundled them up and put a belly band over it with some fun twine and a sentiment. Oh, I also did that. I cut out a bunch of sentiments. What, did I lose it? Of course, it's not even in here. I don't know what I did with it. But there's a little envelope with a bunch of sentiments. So if you want to give this as a gift, as a build-a-card set, then you can put all the components in here with the sentiments and all sorts of embellishments. They can build the cards, or you can give it to them already done where they just have to fill out the card and mail it. You include the postage stamps. So everything can be done, or it can be a build-a-set, right? Christmas, birthday set, anything you want to do it, guys. And this will look amazing in my Savannah Wild Kingdom collection. All sorts of possibilities with this. I hope you love it, guys. This is the slot where you can put your 8.5 by 11 stationery papers that match the paper collection, all right? And there is instructions on how to create stationery and all that good stuff in the project folder, all right? So that closes up like so. You can do all sorts of danglies from there if you want. I mean, it's an amazing, amazing project. This is Paper Phenomenon style, nice and simple and easy. I will have another version where I'm going to deck it out, right? Where there's going to be no room for anything else. But I like to show you these plain versions here so you can really put your stamp on it, no pun intended, and think about how you would decorate this. If you see this all junked up, you really can't see your point of view on this project, and showing it to you like this, I feel like you can see your point of view. Oh, here's another example of stamping that we do in the class. All right, there's lots and lots of practice practice exercises. There's talk about inks and stamps and all that kind of thing. But what I love about this workshop is that it's practice, practice, practice. Why? Because practice makes perfect. And that's what we do. Lots of practice exercises in this one. So you'll be able to follow along with me with the same exact stamps and get your practice on. All right. So check that out in my shop as well. Everything will be linked down below for you. I hope you love it. This envelope is also included in your stationery set. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this project because I think it's fabulous. I printed my stationery. All right. If you're interested in how to print stationery, I have a video that I can link you down below so you can watch on how to make your very own stationery at your home. So here's my stationery. These are all of the made with all of the papers from the from the Revoir collection. And this is a 12 by 12 collection, but I printed it 8.5 by 11. There's also a link down below on that tutorial. So I wrote you guys a letter. All right, so let's open up the stationery box and let's put our paper in there. So here is the stationery section right here. This is where you put your 8.5 by 11 papers, right, to go with your fabulous number 10 size envelopes that you see right here, or these can also be used for the slimline cards. Okay, so brilliant, guys. I love the way this looks. I think this is such a great gift. Heads up for you all. Look in your project folders for files on gift card holders. When I think about stationery, I don't think about gift card holders, but I think it would make a perfect addition to this entire setup you see right here. They're not going to be anything fancy, guys. Basic gift card holders that you're going to be able to put in one of these slots here because you can fit quite a bit. You don't need, these two slots for embellishments. You can put gift card holders here and embellishments over here. I found the envelope with the sentiments that I stamped and did a little die cutting on. So this is full of sentiments. Happy birthday, sending you love, condolences, sympathies, all of that good stuff, guys. That's all in here. So how fun to write someone a letter and mail it. And yeah, you can still write people letters. I don't care if people use email. There are still those of us who still like to write letters and mail them and get some goodies in the mail. All right, other than Amazon packages. I feel that the change in in technology has put a damper on paper and printing and everything that we love to do, everything we love about paper. But that doesn't mean it has to be the end of it. It is up to you to send something like this if that's what you want to do. It doesn't matter what everybody else is doing. But if this is what you love, this is what you do. All right. So I say do it. This is what I love and this is what I do. And I will play with paper forever, even when we're sending notes telepathically. All right. If I want to send paper, I will send paper. Okay. So just think of it that way. All right, guys. So I'm going to read my note to you all. It says, Dear crafters, thank you so much for your love and support throughout the years. Getting in my craft room and working on a new project brings me so much joy, but the greatest joy is when you all love the projects. Going forward, I will be uploading my process videos to YouTube for you all to view. Posting the final reviews without showing how the project evolves makes the project intimidating and unattainable. And I have come to this conclusion based upon your comments, okay? Watching the process videos as well as the final review will help you see that you can do it just one step at a time. I hope you find the process videos helpful and inspiring. P.S. All process videos will still be uploaded to box.com along with the cutting guides. Access to process videos and cutting guides can be found in my shop. Just search for the project name, add to your cart, and check out. Thank you all again for the loving projects. Sincerely, Kathy King. Write them letters, baby. All right, so that's my letter from me to you. I want you to know that all my process videos will be posted to YouTube. I think it's a good thing for you guys to, once again, as I stated in the letter, to see the process and then the final review. That way you're like, oh, this is totally doable, Kat, because those comments that you guys, oh, I could never do this. Yes, you can, man. I just make this look good, guys. All right. You absolutely can. So watch the process video. If you love the project, please head on over to my website, pick up the cutting guide and the tutorial, whatever is available for you to get this done, and get it done and share with me because I cannot wait. So again, just to recap, the stationery is in here. I'm going to add gift card holders so that you can add those right in here, and make sure you include your postage stamps. And that's it. I think this is fabulous. I hope you love it. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Don't forget to leave me a comment because I love reading them and I learn so much from your comments. One last thing, I forget to mention these things. Sensational stamping. It is stamping my way, Paper Phenomenon way. So if you love the way I do things, if you love the way I go through a process, and you want to use your stamps in a fun, unique, bold, impactful way, sign up for my workshop. It is on my website, paperphenomenon.com, and it's called Sensational Stamping. I really want to have a conversation with you guys about stamping. I want to have lots of practice exercises about stamping because I truly believe that practice makes perfect. So I'm going to show you what I do to come up with fun and fabulous scenarios like this. Again, Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.